Aspirants, welcome to English Literature class. In previous video we have discussed some parts of the syllabus of Karnataka Pre-University College for English Lecturer. So the remaining parts I will discuss with you in detail. Before that, I would like to inform you that just basic structure of question papers in this exam. So there are three papers. Paper 1 is Kannada. For 150 marks, it is eligible paper. Paper 2, that is your optional paper. For 150 marks. And paper 3, within that paper 2 itself, 150 marks. This is both question papers are MCQ in nature. So paper 3 English language paper is based on your language, and today we will discuss all those things. And paper 2 is based on completely on literature. So one thing you should remember, for your merit list they only consider 300 marks from these two paper, not from Kannada. And very important, there is negative marking 0.25 for each wrong answer. Anyhow, dear aspirants, the latest and updated information will be published by the department, and I would inform you all those things. So please keep updated. Okay, let us discuss the remaining parts of the syllabus where we had left in last video. Okay, here we have to discuss from grammar part, like subject verb agreement, S plus V plus O formula we need to discuss, and correct use of tenses. And the next one is framing grammatically correct sentences or correct usage of language. So prepositions or joint or articles we need to discuss, and question forms, question tags, and WH questions. So all those things. And cohesive devices, this is very important in our descriptive writing. So this topic also will be discussed in our coming videos. And models, so next conjunctions, sentence linkers, is in other words conjunctions is nothing but sentence linkers. Next, pronouns, reported speech, and voice of the verb, in other words active voice and passive voice. Reported speech nothing but direct speech and indirect speech. Okay, these are the elements of grammar. Next, vocabulary. So this is very important part and very easy if we understand in simplistic manner. So what are the things we have to study in vocabulary? Synonyms, homonyms, antonyms. So these things I will discuss you in later classes. Next, affixes, it means prefixes and suffixes, one word substitutions, idioms and phrases, and finally error identification. So these are included in paper 1 along with literature. So coming to the paper 2. Okay, paper 2. This is a very scoring paper. If we take it easily, correctly, neatly, really this is scoring subject. For 150 marks you can take up to 140 marks. Please keep in mind, this is a very easy paper. Okay, let us see what are the things or what are the points they have given in paper 2. So like sentence types and sentence functions. and a basic sentence pattern like S plus V plus O formula and etc. And very importantly, writing skills. So what you should have competencies, especially regarding writing skills. Anyway, we will discuss all these topics one by one in coming videos. So please do subscribe our channel and follow, and please share and like and comment and give feedback in the comment section. Okay, coming to the first point, comprehension of passages or poems and text. Definitely it wants to test your ability of thinking, or in other words reasoning towards a particular passage, poems and text. So this is very interesting topic. So the next one is paragraph writing. So here you are not going to write paragraph writing, you need to fill, you need to complete the paragraph writing structure. The question should be based on some kind of elements. We will discuss all those things in the coming videos. Next, letter writing. So we have been learning since our matriculation level. So anyway, we need to study here important components of letter writing, especially structure of letter writing. Next, speech or report writing. So it is like a journalistic work, it is a very easy way. We will discuss all those things. Anyway, next, note making or note takings. For example, when teacher dictates some classroom notes, you need to take in shortly, so that's called note making. There are some techniques for note making, so those techniques I will discuss with you in the coming videos. So please, next, reference skills. So like bibliography. Reference skills means bibliography, index or indices and so on. Here we have to observe. So next, memos, notes, circulars, all these things are familiar to you. So we will discuss all those things in the coming videos. Next, email writing. This is very important and very easy and practical topic. We will discuss this topic also. And language functions, this is very important, especially they have given communicative skills. So we will discuss all those skills, what we need for our good communication as a language teacher. What the skills we must have, that's the communicative skills. And next, as a teacher of English, we must have some reading skills to teach students, like skimming, scanning, intensive reading, reading poetry, fiction, drama. We will have a separate class on the reading poetry, fiction and drama. So basically we need to understand these terms and their meaning and application. So these are the paper 1 topics. It looks like very short, but we have to study in detail, that can helpful for our understanding common language as well as literature. So these are the things we have studied up to now. This is a tentative syllabus, I mean that is previous class syllabus. So we may get latest syllabus, possibly, as I said in last video, maybe 30% may updation in the syllabus. If you have any ideas, please write your opinions in comment section. So up to now we have discussed all the things in the paper 1, paper 2. So please keep in mind that we have 150 marks for each paper in optional papers like literature paper and English language paper. Kannada only 150 marks of eligible paper, and per paper we have 3 hours of time. So this is what we have discussed, syllabus of Karnataka University College for English lecturer. So in very soon I would like to inform you that I am going to discuss in detail your previous question paper. I mean that in 2018 PU lecturer recruitment question paper is there. I will analyze each question in detail. So please do subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you to one and all. Thank you.